Hi, my name is Camilla and I will be showing you how to get started with Qplay. For this, you will need a Qplay account, a screen like the one behind me here, and a Qplay compatible player. Today, I'm using this medium Windows player, which needs to be connected to the internet. It needs some power, and then of course an HDMI cable connecting it to the screen. You can use any type of player you want, and whenever your player is set up to your screen, you will be seeing this connect code, which you will need inside of Qplay in order to connect your Qplay account with your screen. So let's jump over to Qplay and get started. If you don't already have a Qplay account, you can go to nordicscreen.com to create your very own account. So in order for us to start our design, we will navigate over to Series. And here we will press the button New Series, and then you choose what type of screen you want to design. The first thing that comes up here is a small guide on where to find different kind of stuff. So if we go here, we can name our presentation. We can call it How to Get Started with Qplay. Yes. And what I want to do in this case is actually just have a blank canvas that I can start designing. So I go here and remove this. Yes. And now I have a blank canvas. So maybe I want a background. I go over here. I choose what kind of background I want. And then I will jump over to the App Store. From here, I can grab all of these different kind of apps and then put in my content, design it as I want it, and then share it on my screen. So let's just start dragging in some stuff. We will navigate over to Players. Because there's no player connected to this account, this will pop up where you can see what different kind of players that are Qplay compatible. If we close this down, you might remember in the beginning of this video, we had a connect code showing on the screen behind me. So we go to Connect Player, and then we enter in the code. Whenever you have entered in the code, you press Connect. Now this little player icon will pop up. If you click it, you will actually be able to name your player. And you can go here to add series in order to tell it what kind of content it should be displaying. So we go here and then we play for you. Now you can see that this design we created inside Qplay is actually running on the screen behind me. And that's it. That's how you get started with Qplay.